We are 4 months out from FUE transplant, right? About 4 months?
That's correct.
July, yep. And so what we've done is basically a scalp to scalp. So in other words, from back here, which if you look back here, totally dense, you can't see the scars, really well healed, there's total fullness here. So I've harvested here to place it into the hairline. It's only 4 months out. Rebuilt the hairline. What did your stylist say?
He said, he started running his hands through my hair and he said, "You have more hair in the front of your head. What's going on here?" And I said, "Well, I had a FUE transplant in the back and they added more hair to the hairline to reinforce it." And this, he said, "I can literally tell you have more hair where there's been the FUE transplant." So
and this is only 4 months out, which is
exactly
exciting. Done the eyebrows, as a close-up you can see, untrimmed here. So he said he wanted to trim them. I said, "No, let's look at raw results right here." These are these are transplanted from the scalp. And then we did a beard-to-beard FUE transplant from under the chin across here. Why don't you point out where we've done that?
Okay, so
I don't even
that
know.
hair actually grew in right through here.
Yeah.
Previously, it kind of went down like this, but it's now been all filled out almost to the edge of the lip line.
Beautiful.
Just the
And
right
you can
there.
really see that the hair is so different. This has a little different color, it's different texture, different thickness, different shape. This is different, and so you try to match the fineness for the hairline and the eyebrow needs to use scalp hair because this hair matches better. Can't use beard, but at the same time, if I use scalp to beard, his beard doesn't quite match because this is so coarse and rough. It won't match that. So we've got a like replacing like. The recovery wasn't too bad?
Oh, no, not bad at all.
Easy.
Not
Good.
bad at all.
You're happy so far?
Oh, I couldn't be happier.
It's going to continue to grow in.
The eyebrows, the hairline, the beard, it's just little tweaks that make a tremendous difference.
Beautiful.
Just a
Thank you.
huge difference. Yeah, thank you.